In the third question, I have to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So my dividend polynomial is px is 3x cube plus 7x. I have to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of px. So I can use either the remainder theorem and find the remainder and check if it is 0, or I can use the factor theorem and find whether the 0 of 7 plus 3x when substituted into px gives me 0 or not. By the way, the factor theorem is a special case of the remainder theorem, so it's not really a new theorem, and I talk about it extensively when I cover the concept of the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. So make sure that you understand this well. So here what I have to do is I have the divisor polynomial or the polynomial which I'm testing as a factor. So that's 7 plus 3x. The 0 of this polynomial is, if I equate this to 0, I will get 3x equal to minus 7 or x equal to minus 7 by 3. So what I have to test is what is the value of p of minus 7 by 3. If this comes out to be 0, then I can say that 7 plus 3x is a factor of px. So what is p of minus 7 by 3? Well, that is 3 times 3x cube. So x cube will be minus 7 by 3 cube plus 7 times minus 7 by 3, 7x. So let's expand this and see what we get. So 7 cube is 343 and 3 cube is 27, and I have a minus sign here and this factor of 3. So 3 times minus 343 by 27, and then the second term is 7 times minus 7, so that's minus 49 by 3. So if I further simplify this, I have 3 and 27, this gives me 9. So minus 343 by 9 minus 49 by 3. So I can actually take an LCM here, and this will give me 9, and here I have minus 343, and I will have to multiply 49 with 3, so that's minus 147. So clearly, I mean, even if I calculate the value will be minus 490. So 343 and 147, and there's a negative sign, so that's minus 490 by 9. So this is clearly not equal to 0, which means that 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So the answer is no. You could also have guessed at the answer by looking at 3x square plus 7x. If you take out a factor of x common from this, you are left with x times 3x square plus 7. So there's no way 3x square plus 7 can have a factor of 3x plus 7. So just by looking at the polynomial, you could have arrived at the answer, but what you were expected to do was to use the remainder theorem or the factor theorem and find out the value of p of minus 7 by 3. So that finishes the third question. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.